folks, I have a really cool tenor ukulele to show you today. This started off as a stock instrument, but then a customer snapped it up before it was ever done. I'm fighting a little bit today. I have some really bright natural light coming in, so I'm trying to show, don't want to blow the color out too much, so forgive me as I try to show it. The top for this is a really special piece of Orford Cedar, curly Orford Cedar. And look at this stuff through the middle here. Got this from my neighbor who used to make flutes. And the curly maple back is also local. This is from my friend Ben, from a tree that he took down. And it had ants living in it, so there's these little bug holes in it, which I really like. I like those two kind of bright colored woods. I think they look great. So I paired that with some Texas ebony, some really dark Texas ebony for all this up front, and the little stripe in the neck. It's a salvage cypress neck. And then we got maple binding everywhere to kind of match it all up. We inlaid a little leaf in the headstock, and Nicole burned the detail in there. Yeah, feels great. This is number 836. I think the combination of the Orford Cedar and the maple is nice. It's a bright forward sound, but it's really deep and rich too. And all the curly woods just look great today. So, cool. Number 836. Cheers.